In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Vanilla Visa gift card to your Amazon account. This simple process allows you to use your gift card for purchases on Amazon, making it a convenient way to shop online. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can add your card smoothly and take full advantage of what Amazon has to offer. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, you'll want to do that now. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to apply your gift card. Now, once you're on the Amazon homepage, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, click on the cart icon. You'll find it on the upper right side of the screen. This will show you the items you currently have in your shopping cart ready for purchase. This step is important because it leads you to the page where you can review all your selected items and proceed with the payment process. After you've clicked on the cart, you'll need to proceed to checkout. You'll see this option on the right side of your cart page. By clicking Proceed to Checkout, you'll be directed to the payment section, which is crucial for applying your Vanilla Visa gift card. Once at the payment section, look for the option to use a gift card or promotional code. It might be a small box or a tab that says gift card code or something similar. Click there to open up the field where you can enter your Vanilla Visa gift card information. Be sure to have your card handy, as you will need to input the code exactly as it appears. Now that you're prepared to enter the code, go ahead and type in the numbers from your Vanilla Visa gift card. Be cautious and double check that you've entered everything correctly. Even a small typo can cause the card to be invalid or not accepted by the system, so attention to detail is key here. Finally, once you've entered your card details, click on the Apply button. This step confirms your card is added and ready to use. After clicking Apply, you should see the gift card amount deducted from your total purchase amount, or at least stored as a balance within your Amazon payment options. Remember, if your purchase exceeds the balance on your Vanilla Visa, you'll need to use another payment method to cover the difference. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Vanilla Visa gift card to Amazon. Enjoy shopping with your new gift card balance and keep this guide in mind for future use.